Hello, I'm Ari. In this video, I'll introduce Boomi, one of the most widely used commercial integration platforms. Boomi is a cloud-native integration platform used by thousands of companies to connect systems, data, and applications. It's known for its low-code interface, fast development, and easy maintenance. With Boomi, you don't have to write long scripts or build complex pipelines from scratch. You design integrations visually, using a drag-and-drop interface, pre-built connectors, and reusable components. Boomi supports a wide range of use cases. You can integrate cloud and on-prem systems, automate data flows between ERPs and CRMs, and manage real-time or batch-based processing. It also includes built-in features for error handling, logging, API management, and monitoring. That means you can deploy, manage, and troubleshoot integrations, all in one place. Boomi fits well for companies that want fast time to value. It works for both IT teams and consultants who need to deliver reliable integrations without deep custom code. If your organization values speed, reusability, and simplified operations, Boomi might be the platform to consider.